Hello everyone. As last part, we discuss about the how you can write an email very quickly in few seconds. You can write an email or you can reply. You will get reply of an email quickly by using ChatGPT. As I discussed about that how it helps to save your times. For it will be helpful for all the teachers or all the uh, in all backgrounds to everyone. It will be very helpful and it will save the time. All the students, teachers, faculties, so everyone it will be very helpful. So today we will discuss that how we can create an account on this chat GPT and how we can log in so that you can also do write your email and all everything quickly. So let's start our this is a session. We will understand that how we can create an account. I will give the description box also. I will put the link so that by the help of that link you can directly go there and you can also log in, and then you can also start. You can also create your login account, create your account, and then you can also enjoy to for mail purpose. Other purpose also it can be used, but I just consider, I just took here for the mail purpose because this is an important in for everyone. This is highly important to reply of a mail or to send mail every day. So this save enough time. So let's start our video. So those who have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe this channel so that it will be you will get the notification once our next video will be uploaded. So let's start. So now I share my screen. You can see that I came here Google page. So here just I try to write introduce chat GPT. So I just write here introduce chat GPT and just enter. I put the enter button. So you can see several contents came on chat GPT. So I just click on the first one. So you just click on the first one and then you can see now it came here a open AI. Open AI means artificial intelligence. So introducing chat GPT. So now here you can see we trained a model called chat GPT which interact in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer following questions, admit its mistakes, challenges, incorrect promises, and reject appropriate request. So now here two things are there. One is read about ChatGPT Plus. So this ChatGPT, there are two part. One is free version. You can log in free in a free version. Another is paid version. I will go for free version, and also so those we will try with the free version. Let's see. So there will be another also paid version are also available. So we'll go for free version. So here we just click here. You can see now try ChatGPT. So you just click on try ChatGPT. So once you will click try ChatGPT, you will get another window will come, another tab will open, and this one you can see here it came. Welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So if you have account, already you have account, then directly you can log in. If you don't have account, so they will click on sign up. So uh, for the demonstration purpose, I will click here, though I have account, but I just click here now, sign up. So just those who don't have account, click on sign up. So once I click up sign up, so here you can see they asked for email address. So you have to put here, so you can see now create an account. So here the process is you have to give your email address and then any existing email address you have to give. Existing email address you have to put, and then also you have to put your uh, password. Whatever password you just create, but the password should be 8 characters. So let's we'll do the next step. Suppose I want to put here one email address. So as any email address, existing email address, you can just put there. So then you just do continue. So once you will continue after you're putting email address, once you will continue, then you will find another address, another part, that is password. So any password, that password you have to give, that should be 8 character. That should be 8 characters. So you just put any password. And once you will give the password and then login address, then you will got what you will get. Then if you continue, then they will ask for verification, the email verification. So as I already opened the account, so I created the account, so I can't do this one again here, but I can tell the process. I can tell the process. So you just put your password here, and then you just click continue. Then they will ask for verification email. So then you just open that email address. Then you will get one email from Open API. So that email, when you will get it, so from that you just click on that email address. That email address, you just click on that email address, and once you will click on that, then your account will be verified, and then you directly put, then they will ask you two more things. One will be your first name. After you verify this one, two things will come. One will be your first name and last name. You can put any name, any name. You can put your first name and your last name. And then one more, it will come, that will be age verification. So age verification, they will ask. So you can put your age. So maybe below 18, it will be not considered. So after 18 only, they will consider. So as per your age, you have to put your age, date of birth, so that will be verified. And once it will be verified, then your account will be created. So once your account will be created, then you will get the login address. You will get your the login address, and then you will get your account like this. So once you log in, then you will get your account like this. You can see here that I have already account. So here is login ID. Then here new chat box. So here you can also new chat. If you will click here new chat, and this window will come like this. So then here you can write your chat. You can write your that chat, and you will get the response. But in that, another in this, once you log in here, so we will not type the, I was not typing here all the things. I was doing on another part of this, that is playground. So that link also I will put that after, once you will log in, then if you will click on that link, which I will give you in description box, then you will get an open another tab. It will open another tab. Then you will get this one as playground. So here some settings you can do it, so that whatever you will write, you will get some response of that. So this, when you will here, you will come. So now here you can see, you can play in the right hand side. Here you can see the maximum length. So length here given 256 words. Sorry, to here maximum length 256. So we can also write up to 4,000 words. So if you do the maximum, so when they will write, so when here you will put the question, once your answer will come, then maximum answer here you can able to find it. So this link also I will put in the description box, so that it will be helpful to uh, uh, write an email or reply at an email in few seconds. So now I did it here, this one maximum. So now you can see that I will try to type the job, write an email, write an email to write an email for leave. For a leave from the suppose company. So whatever you will write, so you can see now subject line came already, subject line requesting leave, then a two, then you can see now dear this one. So you will get here, you can see now, so you will get an email for that. So you can write an email in few seconds, or you can this one, you can use it. So this is all about that how you can create an account in ChatGPT, how you can log in, and how you can use this one for writing in an email, or replying at email. So that we did it. So in our next video, we will do some other examples using ChatGPT. Like suppose you want to write an application, how you can do that, or suppose we want to cook some food, if we want to cook it with different ratio, if you have some, if you want to make a juice with different ratios, you have some fruits you want to make a juice, then then what type of juice you can make it, that also you will get by using this one. So next video we will understand that one. So thank you very much for your watching, and try to subscribe this channel and give your comments. It will be helpful to improve the video. So thank you very much.